Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna install the sound system on a Defender 6x6 limited edition. It's already come pretty much all pre-wired. All we have to do is just take the front panel, the top panel off, uh, put the speakers in, put the sound head unit in there, and that should be it. So it should be pretty easy. I want to show you what comes in the box. Never opened that before, that's the first time. So let me just go here, open the box, show you what's in. So it comes with all the parts you need to install. Let's see, that's one of the speakers. That's what it looks like. Comes in this box with the speaker itself, and I'm assuming that goes inside of the panel, one of the panels. So two of those. All the necessary wiring, a couple of covers, and I'm assuming that's the head unit itself. This is it's not a JBL or anything like that. It's a Jensen sound system. So it's not a GL audio. It's a Jensen audio. So yeah, this is what its whole kit is all about. And we just walk you through the steps how to install everything. So stay tuned with us and we'll show you the rest. So first of all, we're gonna take the top panel off. And have all the wiring going there. So on the panel, we're gonna just cut along this line on the inside and along this line for the main unit and the other speaker. So So we install speakers basically in the panel, and here's like an antenna wire that we're gonna place them somewhere in the machine. I don't know where yet, but we'll see it. This is how it looks right there. So they give you a wire here, that one, so you can actually like put it on the panel inside of the machine, so it can hang on, and then you put the rest of the bolts in. And this is your connector to the power and stuff. And I'm not sure what this is. Maybe you can add some other stuff. Like here's your speakers. Here's your USB. If you ever want to add a USB, you can probably just you can hand it down, or you can maybe Dremel the hole out and just put it somewhere. So yeah, let's put a bad Larry on the machine and see how it sounds. So we connect all the wires. Like I said, the black one goes to your negative, and the white and red one goes to your accessory, not to the power. So now we're just gonna put everything back together and good to go.
And Jews and the unity that both bring by giving.
They have this tunnel. That's how you get in.
And they're a national lender.
So finally we installed the sound system. It's like I said, it's a Jensen sound system. It's not a bad for what it is. You have an ability to install the second set of speakers. We didn't for this particular setup, yeah. Let me just put in. You have to put the key on, power on. You have a bunch of options in here. You have your radio right now, and if you want to have switch from one mode to another one, so you have your whatever, the WB radio, and then you have an option to connect anything like using just a regular aux wire. Then you have your Bluetooth, pair your phone to it and it's gonna work. So again, radio. You also have a USB on the back side of it that you can connect to. Sounds pretty good. We tested. It's plenty of bass, plenty of volume. So for the cabin like this, it's for this small amount of space, it sounds pretty good. Yeah, we're really pleased with that sound, and yeah, but this is how you install this sound system. It's not that hard. And if you liked our video, just hit a like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, and see you next time.